Hello, hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. So today we will exploring the some of the Panda functions. So in this tutorial we will first of all create a one Panda data frame or dummy data frame, and we will explore the Panda functions on that. So let's get started. So first of all, let's import a Panda as pd, and I'm executing. Okay. Let's also import a numpy. Okay, so these both are imported. Now, what I will do here, I will create one data frame which has multiple columns and multiple rows. So, suppose I am creating a data frame which has different data types of columns. So let's create it. Data frame is equal to pd dot data frame. Okay, and here uh, you can create calibracies and create means you need to create a dictionary object, and you need to pass to data frame constructor. Yeah, so I am creating one dictionary. It is suppose for first column I am creating a key name a, and the values are for example 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And let's execute this. Now let's print tf. Okay, yeah, so we have created one data frame which has one single column and four rows. Yeah, so let's add another column name b. Now I will add here some date time values. So for generating date time values, we have function in pandas times time, and inside this you can write date. Okay, so this will create values against each row of this same date. Okay, so we have two columns. Let's we check data type. How we can check data type? So the type. Okay, you can see that first column has data type integer 64, and second column has data type date time 64. So let's add some more columns here. Column C. Okay, I am adding here some random float values. For, so this will create a for values using this range function. Yes, and now we can define the type inside the series. 64. Okay, let's execute it. Okay, so we have created four values of uh, float values. Now let's add some more values, some with some more data types. Let's add with integer values, integer uh, integer array. So it's we'll create a series, um, I mean array of integer value. So np dot array. we need to create four values, then that's why I have uh, added star 4. Okay, okay, and one more column I am adding here. So I am adding a categorical value, categorical column. I'm passing here, like I want to create this column as a male or female. So I'm typing M is a male and F is a female. So we need to pass a four values. Yeah, so for this female and this okay. Okay, and for the last column, I am adding a static value like let's say hello. Okay, so we have created one Panda data frame which has six columns and four rows. So first column has four values, which is integer integer array. Second column has date time values. Third column has a float 64 series. Fourth column has integer array with value 5, and fifth column is a categorical column. Sixth column is a static string value. So let's execute these. Okay, we have executed. Now let's print. Okay, okay. So in this here it is. Um, okay, we have made some mistake here. A B C D E F. This should be F. Okay, okay. Yeah. So now we can see six columns. One, two, three, four, five, and six. Okay, now we can check data types of all the columns. So let's df dot d types. Okay, so we can see that all columns data types which we had defined. The fifth column has data type category, so it is because it is categorical variable. Uh, Now we will see a different type of Panda functions, like if you want to list out top records, then you can use head function. It will list out first five records of the data set. We have only four records, so only four records are displaying currently. If you want to show up last five records, then you can use uh, tail function. By this you can list out the last five records. Suppose in head you want to display just first record, and you can pass of one value inside the function, and same as for tail. So last value you can see by passing a one as a tail. So uh, now if you want to show the indexes of the columns, mm, it is a function inside the data frame df.index. So here it is index. Index is which this index 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the index of each row. This one is the index. Yes. Now we can also display all columns. So df.column. Yeah, by using this function, you can list out all the columns name. Now you need to, if you want some summary of the data frame, then you can use a df.describe function. By this, you can list out numerical columns, summary statistics like count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, 25 percentile, 50 percentile, 75 percentile, like that. So, uh, if you want to sort data frame, mm, then sort data frame by index, then data frame, there is a function sort index is equal to false. Okay, by this you we see that the columns are uh, sorted with descending order. Same for the rows, you can sort. Suppose for sorting a rows, there's a function called to sort values. You can pass a column name. Suppose A. By default is ascending. If you want to sort by descending, then you can sort with descending order by passing ascending false. Yes, see, we can see a ascending false. And suppose you want to list out a particular column, then you can just like suppose B, column B. Yeah, in this case, you can see here it is only B column you are showing here. And if you want to select rows from particular index, then you can use this method. Like if I want to select the first two, three, third row, then we can select three rows so from starting from zeroth index. If you are passing first index, then it will select the first and second row. So it will select from first index to third index. The third index is not getting selected, so previous of third will be selected. Yeah, yeah. So that's it for the today's tutorial. Let me know any questions or you need any help. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you.